So I have this old wireless charging pad here. Like to take the charging element out and maybe incorporate it into the new enclosure. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So here's the wireless charging element and coil with the circuit board. Unfortunately, I cracked the metal backing here a little bit. Hopefully it can still charge up. We'll put a new cord on here. This one's a bit rusted out, and we'll see if it still charges. Okay, we have a new USB cable on. Now let's see if this phone still charges. And it looks like this part still works, so we can use it in something else. Alright, we've glued down the wireless charger parts. And let's just double check that it charges. Okay, looks good.